Hello everyone, this is Uday Kumar from CSE. I studied at Shankar Institute of Technology. The subject was computer networks and the topic was data representation and data flow. Let me go one by one. What is the characteristics? Delivery. Data must be delivered to the correct destination and must be received by the intent receiver only. Accuracy. The data delivered must be accurate. Any alteration to the data during transmission renders it useless. And timelines. This is the characteristics and one by one. The third one is a timelines. The data must be delivered within the ideal time, else it is useless. In case of audio and video, the data must be delivered as they produced the same order they produced without significant of delay. The kind of delivery is called real-time transmission. Jitter, it is a variation of arrival time of audio or video packets or unevenly delay to the delivery of the audio or video packets. Let me go the topic was data representation, and the what is the full that is the sorry the concept of data representation is information is represented in various forms such as text, numbers, images, audios and videos. They have some of few topics subtopics. These are first one is a text. In data communication it is represented as a bit of pattern and sequence of bits are zeros and ones. Okay, different sets of bit patterns called as a code I have been designed as a represent of text and symbols, and the process of representing is called coding. Characters can be represented Unicode by using American Standard Code for information of interchange ASCII. Numbers. Second one is a subtopic. The number two is numbers. They also represented as bit patterns to simplify mathematically operation. The number is directly converted to a binary number. And the third one is images. They also represented as a bit patterns. It has also simplest form. In images is composed as a matrix of pixels. Each pixel has a small dot. Resolution determines the size of the pixel. Audio, it refers the recording broadcasting of sound or music. Audio is by nature different from text, numbers, images. It is discrete but continuous. Video, it refers the recording or broadcasting of a picture or a movie. It can either be produced as a continuous entity or can be a combination of images, each a discrete entity arranged to convey the idea of motion. Data channel. Channel simplify means a path to carry or flow. Data channel means the flow of data or carry the data from one device to another. In other words, we can say that data channel is a computer path or medium used to transfer the data from sender to receiver. And 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 one second, data channel is the first one and second one is a baud. It is actually common measurement of unit of data transfer. Baud rate transfers is a data transfer from sender to receiver in the data channel. It can be exposed in terms of bps. Bps means bits per second. It simplified determines the speed of data transfer. And third one is what is bits per second. Its symbol bit slash bar of s. It can be present of two forms. One is bps and second one is capital B and small ps. These are same, have a little difference. Small bps means bits per second and capital B and small ps as a bytes per second. It's also a measurement unit of speed which is the data is transferred. Some other ways are present as shown in table as the below. That is the serial number 1 rate of 1000 bits per second denoted by kb per second, full form kilobytes per second. And second one is rate of 1000 bytes per second. This is also denoted as a kbps, that is kilobytes per second. And rate of third one is rate of million bits per second and denoted as a bps, that is full form of megabytes per second. And fourth one is rate of million bytes per second. These are denoted as Mbps. In full form of Mbps is megabytes per second. And next one is bandwidth. It's the range of frequencies used to communication system works. It generally measures the amount of data is transferred as a given amount of data channel. It's the difference between highest to lowest frequencies as a data channel. The measurement unit of frequency is cycles as per second, that is a hertz. It has a left side have a sum of chart, that is a serial number and type of the signal voice, and the range of frequency in hertz, bandwidth in hertz. And first one is a voice signal 300 to 3400 hertz, and actual bandwidth is 3100. And TV signal 0 to 5 hertz or mhz, and it is a bandwidth is 5 mhz. Digital data in frequency of range of frequency is 300 to 3400, and the bandwidth hertz is 3100. Musical signal is a 20 to 15000, it's a bandwidth in hertz 14980. And let we go DTR, data transfer rates. It determines the rate of speed and data transferred one point to another. It measures units of bits per second, bytes per second are baud. It in computer and data is mainly measured as a bytes per second. Data transfers between devices, hard disk and CD-ROMs usually measured in milliseconds. That's it. Thanks for giving the opportunity.